Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Telenor app. First, download the Telenor app from your phone's app store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and either register a new account or log in with your existing Telenor mobile number. You might need to grant a few permissions, like access to your contacts or location, to ensure all features work smoothly. This initial setup takes just a few moments. Once logged in, the Telenor app becomes your personal account manager. You can easily check your current balance and see exactly how much data, minutes, and SMS you have left. Need to top up? Recharge your account using several convenient payment methods, including credit cards or mobile money. You can also explore and subscribe to new data bundles or voice packages tailored to your usage, often with exclusive in-app offers. Beyond basic account management, the Telenor app offers a wealth of services. You can discover exclusive deals and personalized promotions, helping you save money on your mobile services. It also allows you to review your detailed usage history for calls, SMS, and data, giving you a clear overview of your consumption. Plus, if you ever need in-person assistance, the app helps you locate nearby Telenor stores and customer service centers. Should you encounter any issues or have questions, the Telenor app provides robust support. You can access a comprehensive section of frequently asked questions for quick answers to common queries. If you need further assistance, you can easily contact customer support directly through the app's interface, connecting you with a representative. Your feedback is also valuable, helping Telenor continuously improve the app experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.